Hello, I'm Maruk Said, your microbiology guide. Let's explore in-depth micro techniques and uncover groundbreaking insight together on this educational journey into the fascinating realms of microbes.
Here's something that sounds impossible. Bats carry some of the most dangerous viruses on Earth. Ebola, SARS, viruses related to COVID-19. These infections can be deadly for humans. But bats don't get sick at all. They carry the viruses, spread them, yet stay perfectly healthy. Scientists are asking a big question. What if we could learn how bats do this and protect humans? When a virus infects us, our immune system fights back. Sometimes it overreacts, causing a cytokine storm. In severe cases, our immune response becomes the danger. Bats don't have this problem. They carry deadly viruses, but their immune system stays calm. They are the only mammals capable of true flight. Flight is extremely stressful on the body. Heart rate over 1,000 beats per minute. Body temperature rises. Normally, this would cause inflammation, but not in bats. Over millions of years, bats evolved inflammation control. They can turn down pro-inflammatory proteins. The same system protects them from viral disease. Bat research is decades behind mouse research.
Yes, the data confirms the trend we saw yesterday.
Bats reproduce slowly, only one pup per year. A biotech company is betting big on bat biology. They identified proteins, ASC1 and ASC2. In humans, they're weak. In bats, fully active. Scientists want to mimic bat immunity in humans. The creatures we feared may help save us. Follow for Science Explained Simply.